Digital marketing is the use of digital channels to communicate effectively and to influence customers. One of the big gaps that is perceived in today's market amongst people in marketing is that there is a shortage of people who are able to conceive appropriate digital strategies, figure out how to analyze the effectiveness of those digital strategies, and then communicate the effectiveness of these digital strategies to people inside the organization and outside.
The aim of the program is to equip participants with 3 very topical contemporary skills. The first part is to make sure that you're aware of the digital marketing landscape and you're familiar with the typically data-intensive dashboards that each of these landscapes come with. But we then want to transition to the second aim of the course, where you use analytics to step back and create sustainable strategies in this digital landscape. The final and sort of the last aim of our course is to make sure that our digital strategy dovetails with the rest of the firm's strategy and the overall marketing strategy.
This course has wide-ranging appeal to a great diversity of participants. These could be current marketing managers. It's of course useful to people in other functional areas who might wish to be engaged in the digital marketing strategy of the firm, given how crucial a role that is going to be playing, that is already playing and will be playing in the future. The course will appeal to entrepreneurs and startups. It will appeal, for instance, to people working even in non-profits, or in government, because digital marketing and digital marketing strategies are the way in which most firms are communicating, reaching out, and engaging with customers.